Hey everyone, this is my review of the Legend Rider series V-Buckle from Kamen Rider Ryuki. Got Kamen Rider Ryuki's Advend deck right here. So you got a card, or you can just open this up. There's two Advend cards. They look just like as they were in the show. This is Ryuki's final event card. And this is Ryuki's contract card. Drag Redder. Trying to get that to focus real quick. It's not focusing for some reason. Here's Kamen Rider Knight's Advend deck. So I can just pop it open. With two Advend cards in it. Knight's final event card. And his contract monster, Darkwing. There, finally focuses. Okay, here's the V-Buckle. Turn this on. Slide it right into here. There's a hidden sound of Kamen Rider 555, I believe. Forgot how it goes though. It's been so long. I got this in 2010 from CS Toys. I believe it costs around $45. I was looking on the site. I don't think it's up anymore, but I'm sure you can find some on eBay. Probably paying a high price for it. Okay, now I'll compare it to Kamen Rider Dragon Knight Advent deck and cards. I'm not a fan of a Dragon Knight version though, because they're really cheap. All I had is like a mirror. That's really the only good thing, because based on the mirror world. Here's Strike, my favorite Kamen Rider from Kamen Rider Dragon Knight. Each side has different, like, here's camos. I'll show them all. Here's Dragon Knight. Kamen Rider Spear. Kamen Rider Incisor. Kamen Rider Siren. Kamen Rider Wrath, my second favorite from Kamen Rider Dragon Knight. Kamen Rider X, Kamen Rider Wing Knight, Kamen Rider Thrust, Kamen Rider Torque, and Kamen Rider Sting. And this one, I believe. And this is the belt for Kamen Rider Dragon Knight. It's a lot harder to get a deck in compared to Ryuki. That's pretty much really easy. Turn this on. Hold on. Yeah, this one you try to get these little things connected into here. Of course, takes forever. There we go. That's all it does, is hitting this button. And it flips. It doesn't flip very good though. I believe this costs like $25. To me, I say just stay away from this. There's no point in buying this. Just buy the Kamen Rider Ryuki if you're interested. I'll show you the cards that I have for the Kamen Rider Dragon Knight version. Dragon Knight's Final Advend. I think I have like 3 different ones of those. There's another Final Advent. Dragon Knight's Sword Vent. It looks nothing like the show. Like love Ryuki's Advend cards and Knights. Advend cards look just like from the show, from either show, Ryuki or the Kamen Rider Dragon Knight. Drag Rider. Much more detail on the Ryuki version. This is a Survive card. Here's Wing Knight's Final Event. And his Survive Mode card. Trick Vent. I think we only used this a few times in Dragon Knight. Black Wing, like in Ryuki, is Dark Wing. Not sure why they changed it though. Nasty Vent. And this is, I forgot what toy I got this from. I think it may have came with a Dragon Knight Advent deck. But I believe in Ryuki, Kamen Rider's Odin's had this Survive Mode card. Not positive though. Haven't watched it in like over a year. Got it on DVD though, so need a refresh on it. Kamen Rider Torx Shoot Vent. One of my favorite riders from Dragon Knight also. Guard Vent. Kamen Rider Axis Freeze Vent. If you only use that once, I mean it's like episode like 22, I believe. Kamen Rider Incisor Strike Vent. Kamen Rider Camos Biogriza. Trying to get it to focus. I think this is a regular Blank Knight before Dragon Knight becomes, or before Kit becomes Dragon Knight and his copy event. Or it could even be Stings too. I think he used that one. Okay, that's all for the review of Ryuki Advent buckle. It's definitely a must buy if you're a Kamen Rider fan. Definitely prefer that over the Dragon Knight belt. Okay, I got I'm probably gonna start doing reviews more often, like once every other week. I got like in probably 2 weeks I'll be reviewing the 93 Power Morpher and Blade Blaster. And probably after that, the 93 Dragon Dagger, and probably the Golden Power Staff after that. Probably some up. I do have some figures of from Kamen Rider Dragon Knight. I only have like 4 or 5 of them, so I'll probably review those, or review those actually, probably next month sometime. So stay tuned. Okay, take care.